Thank you, Kruger.
That's a grumble. Have you ever noticed, Rita, the world is divided between us Woodpecker drinkers and them?
Them?
Dodos, Rita.
But in the A23 Basingstoke.
Why don't they drink Woodpecker cider, Dennis?
Taste buds extinct. Can't appreciate the subtle yet sparkling, light yet profound taste of your Woodpecker cider. Cheers, mate.
Slowly.
See what I mean, Rita?
Ha!
Woodpecker cider. Not for dodos.